the amazing, you've seen it, the amazing chicken mayo sub, but now we're getting to signature dish, and Sharon here is going to explain to us why this is a signature dish. Now I want to know personally, I see that there is in the recipe there is secret spices and secret chili sauce, but on your chili volumes of heat I see that there is 3 different volumes. Tell me more about that.
Yes, we really have got 3 different volumes.
All right.
We do make our own pasta chef chili sauce.
Ooh.
Which means the first one will be 3 volts.
All right.
Which is 1 teaspoon.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Then it all depends with someone how much she or he likes. Then if it's 2 volts, then it's 2 teaspoons.
6 volts.
I
2
mean,
spoons.
2 teaspoons is
Right.
6 volts.
Okay.
Then 9 volts, it's 3 teaspoons.
And then the ears are heated and you sweat
Yes,
a little bit and the
yes,
nose is running.
Yes, and I think the 3 volts is really perfect for those who will be drinking. You know, when you're drinking,
Yeah.
you need something which is
A little bit of a cold beer, you know.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay. Well, it seems like that is the true Italian way.
Yeah.
So you make this in-house.
Yes, we do make it in here.
Alright, so now you can see that's a pasta chef logo, so you will never know the secret ingredients. But
Yes.
if you order here, you will taste
Mm.